Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started today, I just want to give a big shout out to the first 4 commenters from my last video. Thank you so much to Wavy Like the Ocean 3486, Bunny 9822, Karina GC, and Jennifer Ferreira 9061. And thank you so much to each and every single one of you that take the time out of your day to watch, like, subscribe, comment, and interact with my channel and my content. And speaking of those, I just want to give a big shout out to my members. Keep an eye out for the individual member shout outs throughout the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video as well. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. This is the Katie Cat Nails channel, and today we have another quick swatch video. I got these cat eye gels from Saviland off of Amazon. They were kind enough to send them my way to review. The colors are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to show you the back of the box, and then we're going to go ahead and get right into swatching. These cat eyes are super pretty. I absolutely love them. It is feeding time once again. Funny how I always end up in feeding time when I'm trying to do my voiceovers. But yeah, so these are super pretty. I'll leave all the information for them down below in the description box. If you like them, go check them out, okay? I found them on Amazon. So thank you guys so much for joining me once again. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this one out, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you enjoy today's swatches, please hit that like and subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. And check out my description box. There's lots of goodies, discount codes, information about my members program, all the goods. So definitely check out down below, drop a comment, hit that like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, please be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I hope that you join me for future videos.